Hey guys, the Raven has landed here at Harley-Davidson of Fargo. We just got in this Raven Metallic Black 2024 CVO ST. These things do not stay on showroom floors very long. We've had a few calls on it all the way from across the country even. These things come with the factory forged carbon fiber. You're getting the 121 high output motor in it. They got the reservoirs on the back for a better ride, more sporty. Harley did release it now to where you can put backrest and tour packs on these. I believe when I did the video, when they first got released on these, they did not have a 2-up option. Now you do, so now you can look awesome, go really fast with a passenger. So come on in, talk to any of our salesmen, scoop this thing up before it's gone. Harley-Davidson of Fargo is also running promo still now through the end of August. We still have 0 down, 3.99% financing for qualified buyers on all 2024 Harley-Davidson motorcycles. So come on in, summer's still here. It's supposed to be a great couple weeks still. That's this week's episode of Joe Knows.